Hello guys, gotta hurry up. Actually, we actually got a lot of Python stuff to be covered today. So let's just dive right in. So let's have a name. Let's assign a variable. If you can't understand this, see my previous video covering the fundamentals. So input, no need input. Let's just assign something. Um, okay, this hello world. Okay, we can print this in four styles actually. Print name. This is the first. Print name dot upper. Second, print name dot lower. Third, and this is the last one, print name dot title. So let's see what happens. So if you say print name, you'll get the exact same word, and if you print upper, you'll get all the letters in uppercase, and lower means all lowercase letters, and title means the first letter of all the words will be capital. Okay, and don't forget about this parentheses, the function, right? So let's delete these. Okay, let's do mathematical operations first of all. Print 1 plus 1, or 1 plus 2, anyways, typo. It's 3, and so this for uh, plus, addition, and it's from multiplication, it'll give it 2, and this is for division, 0.5, and this is for subtraction, -1. So that's it. These are operation, you know. So let's assign x equals input um, what's x, and y equals input what's y. Oops, just a minute. Yes. So print x plus y. Okay, I'll say 2, 3, and 7 will get a 37. Now this is actually not for addition because plus means it's literally adding that one. So that's why we overcome this case by assigning another variable. Z equals and Z equals integer x plus integer y because they're integers, right? So now we'll overcome this case of 37. Now 5 and 5 will be, oh, oopsies, I forgot to print Z. So again, some value 13. Now it's perfect, right? So that's how to you assign a really new variable. So just a minute. Okay, so sorry about that. Now we'll again give x equals 2 and y equals 3 here itself. So we don't need to give input all the times, right? So z equals uh, int x plus int y. So unfinished. Now you know why this is unfinished, because we shouldn't mention int when there's no input. When there's no input, you directly assign x plus y. I'll, okay, actually, we can do int. Why is it? Oh, again, I forgot to print y. How lame of me. Sorry. So you can absolutely mention integers. Print z 5. See, that's it. So in inputs, you don't always know if that's an integer. So in case it's a text, obviously it won't give the answer. We can't. So I'll give you one case. X equals input. What's x? And again, y equals. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Input what's y. So z equals float x plus float y. Now that's because in case if we give a decimal number, you should get the answer right. There's no problem if you just mention integers. So let's just print z again. What am I doing? Print z. Okay. Um, stop and rerun. So yes. Even if I give integers, there's no problem. You'll just get point zero, point zero, right? So when I give something that's not an integer, for example 5.6 and 6.7, we get 12.3. That's it. So that's just kind of simple and cool too. So just a minute again. Sorry about that. Sorry. So um, here we can also do one thing. Z equals round of x plus y. Now print z. So let's just give some value. Why are we getting an error? Oh, okay. Int round of int. We can do one thing. Round inside brackets int x plus int y. So I guess now it must work. So I give something 12. See, now it works. So why is this? It's something like it rounds up if you give something close to, for example, I'll give float here and here too. Now, uh, let me give 1.2 and 2.7. See, that's actually 3.9, but it gives 4 because it rounds it up. So that's the process. So we have something called slicing now. Slicing, right? Slicing. So let's just start. Print. Let's see. Okay. Let's say name equals just hello Python, and print name. We do this one is to loop, right? Is to I mean this one, this one. So we put it in here. We say 1 to 3. No, 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 not like that. Sorry. Um, just a minute. Okay, sorry. That was actually a typo. I made the simple brackets instead of squared. Sorry. So again, name equals hello world. So print name. Now we use the square bracket. Oh, again, the square brackets, and we say 2 is to 5. We can see only these 3 letters printed. You might wonder why this is third, fourth, and fifth instead of second, third, and fourth. I mean second, third, fourth, fifth. According to Python, uh, this is 0. The first is 0. H is 0, and E is 1. Oh, okay. Anyways, H is 0, E is 1, and L are 3 and 4. I like that. And the 5 is like the space. So that's it about slicing. So that's it for today, guys. Today I guess we covered a lot. Tomorrow we'll cover defining a function. So after you learn to define the function, Python's gonna be really really easy for you. So tomorrow is gonna be the last tough part of Python. So for today, that's it, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the club link where we develop AI, we do programming, we create jobs, and come on, stay enthusiastic. So bye, guys. See you tomorrow.